Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I did the Hoya tour about a month ago, so today I'm gonna do another Hoya tour to show you how my Hoya is doing within this month. I also have some new Hoyas that I'm gonna show you guys, so let's start it. This is my oldest Hoya, it's the Hoya Canosa Crimson Prince, I believe. And you can see it actually grows a lot. Let me pick it up. I did several cutting from this Hoya to make a new plant, but it didn't stop this Hoya from growing. It has a really good color in here, as you can see. And then there's some new growing. It's in the bags, so I think that's why the colors changed to be a little bit darker. But you can see there's another growth. And it's wrapped pretty good. Those wires, and there's another one. And it's also coming out some new stuff. It's a really pretty one. This is the Hoya Pubicalyx Splash, I believe. It's come without ID, and I searched the image. I know it's a Pubicalyx. I think it's called the Pubicalyx Splash. As you can see, it's a splash on the leaves. It's a big one too. There's a lot of new growth, and this is the long one. I love those splash on the leaves, especially this one. It looks so different. This is the Hoya Obovata, I believe. You can see how huge those new leaves are. I think last time I showed you guys I didn't really wrap it on this wire. It's just growing really long with all those new leaves. So I cannot wrap it around the wire. It's so cute. You see the splash on the leaf. Those are all the new leaves. And this is the long stem. It's still growing. This is a no ID Hoya. I think I found out what it is on internet. I will post a name on the screen. I got this Hoya from an orchid nursery in Florida when we were on vacation. It has a tiny little cuttings rooted, and for about 2 years it didn't grow, and this year it just started to shooting out. You can see it's a really long stem, and it's growing some new leaves. So those are growing from this year, and this one too. And I think there's another growth point from here. Definitely enjoy the location. I put right next to the window here. Really long leaves, and it's still growing leaves. There's some other point. Here is my recently potted Hoya cutting. It's called Hoya Canosa Wilbur grapes. It's a really cute Hoya. Look at the leaves. I love those splash on the leaves. It comes with one cutting. It's really long cutting, so I just cut it into 3 sections and rooted myself in the speckled moss. I think as you see here, there is a growing point starting to grow. I haven't seen anything on the other 2 yet, but the leaves is really plump. tails is growing roots under it. So I'm hoping it will started to grow some long stem this year. So here is it's kind of one of my new favorites, I would say, just because of the splash on the leaf for sure. Look at this. Here is the newest Hoya I got. It's the Hoya Kerrii. So I can see there's a leaves growing, one leaf, but I don't see anything else. I just got it, I think, last week. So there's not much to show. There's some splash on the leaf, but it's just a regular Kerrii. A little bit dehydrated. I just water it. I think when I got it here, I may have to repot it because it doesn't look that healthy. So here is the Hoya Speckled Pubicalyx. I can see the difference between this sparkled and the splash I showed before. As you can see, they don't have much splash on the leaves. This is the two new leaves, so it's coming with this one plant and it's growing two leaves, and then here is another leaf with a growing point, I believe, and there's something else here, so I think that might be another growing point. As this I think is the first leaf that I received, and it grows this first leaf. So look at this, it's huge, but then the other two kind of small. So we will see, but it's growing. Here is another one of my oldest Hoya. I got this one along with the other one from that Florida orchid nursery, so it comes with no ID. Yeah, and I really don't know what kind of Hoya it is. I try to find out, but I don't know. You can see it has a really cute leaf, especially from the back. The front is darker. It grows a lot this year. So here is one long one, and then there's another growing point. You can see there's tons of new leaves. It's a really beautiful one. It's a small leaf Hoya, but the leaf is very different. Yeah. Okay. So it's come as a small Hoya, so I think this year is going to be a big Hoya. Just love those leaves. So this is probably top of my favorite is the Hoya Fishtail. I love the leaves. It's just so beautiful. It's come as one cutting, this tiny with two leaves. I think there is a growing point started. I rooted in the sphagnum moss. But look at this. I put this one under my growing light with the humidifier. I'm hoping just keep it alive because I killed one before. So I'm trying to keep this one alive. It's definitely a very, very beautiful Hoya. You can see in the back too. Here is a close up. Look at this, so beautiful. Here is my Hoya Bella. I received those cuttings about a month ago and rooted them in the sphagnum, and I just pot them into the soil about a week ago. They look very plump and healthy. I think there's already some new leaves growing. I think this is the new leaves. Yeah. It's a really cute Hoya. Those are two new leaves too. Here's my Hoya Canosa compactor, or the Hindu rope. It's not very variegated. I just burned those last year when I put them outside. So there's a sunburn, but it was a one long Hoya, and I cut them into 4 and rooted them, and they all survived and started to growing. Here are some new leaves on this one. You can see there's even baby girl. And this one has some new leaf, and my daughter came here and picked up all the new leaf from this stem and brought it to me. Yeah. But I'm just glad this stem's still alive. So hopefully I can have some other stuff growing. So let's see. I don't see anything on this too. Here, this one's definitely got leaves. Hopefully I can have a big Hoya plant pretty soon. And yes, yeah, no, don't pick again. So here are my Hoya cuttings I received about a week or a week and a half ago. There's 3 cuttings. Here is the Hoya Krinkle 8. I love those leaves. You can see it's so cute. And this one is the Hoya Sunrise. I love the color. It looks so beautiful. Look at this color. It just reminds me of the sunrise. And here is the Hoya Rosita. I think that's what's called. Look at this. The darker edge, the purple edge, it's so beautiful, so cute. It's a small Hoya, but it's so cute. Look at this. And I think there's some roots growing too. Let's see. Yeah, here you see the root. Here's some more roots growing. So it's definitely growing roots under. Here are some more Hoya cuttings. So this one is the Hoya Pubicalyx, the Hawaiian, the darker purple, almost purple black color. Purple, yeah. It's come with these 2 cuttings, especially this one so long. Yeah. It already has some roots growing inside. You see there's roots. And there's some more. I love this Hoya just for the flowers. And here are 2 more. This one is the Hoya Australis, and the back is the Hoya Curtisii. But look at this one, such a big leaf. And the Curtisii is so cute. It's just the splash on the leaf is just so cute. And it's growing tons of roots. I don't see anything on this side. Oh, there's some growing right here. This one is definitely happy. So those are my cuttings at this moment. This ends of today's Hoya tour. If you like it, please click the thumb up, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!